thank you for the correction. Don't worry. If I explain something or use the wrong data, please correct me during the classroom, during the class time. Okay, so could you please give me your student number? I will give a little bit of bonus in the final score. Okay. Yeah. Don't worry. In Taiwan or in other countries, it's a kind of you cannot correct the professor during the class. But I'm okay. I'm okay. So please let me know because she reminded me the value should be 81327, but I used the wrong number. 8132, not the 37. 8132. So that's the difference from the value from the textbook. So please let me know. Okay, don't worry. Don't worry. Please tell me your student number in our group. Okay, okay, it's a little bit of bonus. Okay, so sorry, should be here. Not a 7. It should be 8132. I forgot the 2 between the 3 and 7. So the result will be 0.1873. And our textbook here. The result is where 0.187. Yes, when we round up the number 4 decimal to the number 3 decimal, it will be 187. 187. So thank you for reminder. Yeah, I'm live broadcasting now, so don't worry. It was my mistake, but it's a small mistake. I just mistyping the number. Okay, let's move to next question. Next question will be number C. Find the probability of pregnancy lasting less than 250 days. Find the pregnancy of a lasting less than 250 days. Okay, can you calculate this? We know 250 is below the average. When the number minus 1 standard deviation, that would be 263, and minus the second standard deviation, second 9 days, that will be 254 days. And we know 250 smaller than 254. It means at least 2 point blah blah away from the center. Very, very small. The probability is very small. Okay, 2 minutes to calculate the number C. First of all, calculate the z-score and check the table. 2 minutes. Sure. During the process, you can write down your notes. Okay, let me solve the problem. First of all, okay, okay, and now we are going to do the second one. The question, the example. Okay, we know 250 days. What's the z-score of 250 days? Very easy. The z equals the x minus mean and divided by sigma, by standard deviation. And now we know that the z, that would be 250 minus 272 and put them in the parentheses and divided by the sigma, that is 9 days. Okay, so that would be, so can you find the value is positive or negative? Negative. Why? Yeah, because in the numerator, 250 minus 272, that is a negative value. Let's check. 250 minus 272, and that would be minus 22 divided by 9 is minus 2.444, mean 4, like this one. Okay, and next, check table. Again, we can imagine that if the diagram look like this, and we have a okay, let me start my horrible hand drawing again. Like this one, then here is the mean, and we know that is minus, or okay, 2.44 in the left side. In the left side, we know that 1 standard deviation, 2 standard deviations, close to 2.5, and we know the location should be here. And the z-score minus 2.44. It means in the left side, more than 2 standard deviation away from that. Okay, and okay, for the question, please calculate the probability of pregnancy lasting less than 250 days. Less than 250, it means in the left side. Sorry, here. In the left side, let me use the green one, like this one. So the area is pretty small. We can predict that the probability is very, very low. And now let's check the value. Okay, then here let's check the table. Okay, the value is minus 244. Okay, minus 2. I use the blue one. Minus 2.4. Then the second decimal here. Okay, and now we can know the answer will be here. The area on the left side will be 0.00734. Okay, do we need to subtract the number with 1? 1 minus that? No, we don't need that, because according to the definition, the area, the value represents area to the left side of the z-score. Thus, the answer will be 0.00734. Okay, let's check our textbook. Question is here. Okay, then question C. First, translate the statement into a mathematical statement. Probability when x less than 250. Drawing a picture like this one, and the mean is 272 and about 2.4 and 444 away from the center, and got the value 0.0725. Yeah, the same as we checked the results here. Very similar. Okay, then how about a probability like this one? Okay, and last question. When we finish this one, we can find the probability that pregnancy lasting between 265 and 280. How to calculate this? Between 265, we know 265 is below the average. 280 is above the average. How can you find the probability between 265 and 280 days? Okay, let's check the diagram here. Okay, before you start, we can explain here. Can you find the area here? Again, I promise I will tell you how to calculate in few seconds. You just type your number to the website, the free applications. But now I hope you check the table, because in the future, if you forgot or you have something wrong with computer, you can use this way. And you understand the principles. Okay. First of all, we know the 280 is here. We got the area to the left side is over here. And then we got the second one. 265. The location is here. Then we can calculate the area from here, right? Very clear. If we use the big area for the 280, subtract the small area here, then we will get the blue area like this one. Is it okay for everyone? Easy to be understood, right? Okay, go ahead, 2 minutes. If you're confused, let me know. I think I try to slow down, explain one question clearly. Your eyes tell me you confused with something. Again, find the location here 280, then check the table. Check the table. Check the table, and the number here means the area from the location to the left side, and you got a big blue area. But the question from textbook wants us to calculate the area between this one and this one. And now you got a bigger one, you need to minus the small area. How can you get a small area? Here is 265. 265, you can check the table, got the value. The value is to the left, small area. Then big area, subtract small area, the answer is here. Okay, go ahead, 2 minutes. Okay, let me explain this one. Okay, we have two locations. First one, 280. The second one, 265. 265, okay. And okay, and now, first of all, okay, let me explain here. Okay, and now we know that the average is here. Sorry, my drawing is horrible. And 280 should be here. And the other one, 265 should be here. And now we got the answer. We know that when the 280 days and here 265 days. And according to previous calculation, we know that 280. Okay, 280 minus the average 272 divided by 9 is 0.888, like this one. The z-score here, z equals 0.888, like this one. How about the 265? Again, calculate the z-score. The z-score equals 265 minus 272 divided by 9. $265 minus 272 minus 7 divided by 9 and minus, forgot the minus, like this one. Okay, and check the table. Check the table. The first area 0.8327. Let me have that. Okay, and how about the other one? 0.7 minus 0.7. Let me check it here. 0.7. The second 7 here. Okay, my question is here. The third decimal is also 7. So we can move to the 0.8. 0.8. Oh, sorry. (0.7), 0.8. Thus, we got the area that is so far okay. Okay. We check the table. We know the area in the left side of the 280 here. That is 0.81237, and 268, about 268, the z-score is minus 0.777, and the left area 0.21 is about this. Thus, the big area minus the small area, we will get the area between those two lines. Okay, the area 0.812737 minus this one is the answer. Let me check it. Minus, and the answer between those area, let me use the green one. How about the green one? The blue one. Okay, the blue one. Okay, so the area between those two lines should be this one. Is it okay? Okay. Let's check the textbook. Question number D. Question number D is here. Okay. To use R, you can like this one and find the probability when X is smaller than 280 and the area probability smaller than 265. Then we can use this area and got the answer 0.595. 595, yes, because the number 4 decimal round up to the number 3 decimal, the same answer. Okay, so far any question? No? Okay, how about a 10-minute break? Sorry, I postponed the break time. 10-minute break, see you later. I think we can finish this section. We can move to the next section, okay?